I'm glad that I'm here, or we are here, and definitely we learn a lot, new knowledge. Okay, and there's one thing, not that I don't believe the doctor, but I will not listen to everything what the doctor says. So please tell me I'm correct. So and thank you everyone, and especially our Esther, who has helped us a lot and given us a lot of guiding. I really learned a lot. I'm sure all of them have learned and then benefited in a way that some of the pain did go away. Yeah. Thank you very much.
This is actually my second time attending this course. I did one maybe 8 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah. But I'm very impressed by the continual good work that Yuan Shi Dian Foundation is continuing to do. And how they actually update the content and show file and everything. So yeah, I think it's really good work to try to reach out to so many people.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm very grateful to be here again to revisit all this knowledge.
When you ask the question, who come here on?
Wow, not on your own free will. Are you the one?
I almost wanted to miss out.
Oh, okay.
I cannot. No, but I think today I could learn quite a lot of things.
Yes.
Especially two very important things of self-healing.
Yes.
提升 and then how to apply heat.
Yes.
When your heat energy. So I think that will help.
Yeah. So that's why in the beginning when I say that if you are forced here, good luck to you. You're stuck with us for the rest of the day. But you'll benefit throughout the course. At the end, you'll find something that would be very, very beneficial to you.
All the organizers for organizing such a well-planned event.
Yeah.
And thank you, Chris, for helping us. And we can feel all your sincerity and your passion to really help and reach out. So I really feel it. And we hope it will find a quota. Have more and more people to learn from this.
Definitely.
So I'm sure it will. So I will advocate more.
Yes. Yeah. So we need a lot of mouth marketing for us.
The theory that you taught us is very clear. That makes us feel very confident that actually we don't need to rely on all the supplements, medications to heal.
Yes.
Yeah. And actually I heard about Yuan Shi Dian for more than 10 years already, but I just don't have the time to come over here. And then thanks to Mr. Chong actually introduced it to us. Yeah.
Recently, my sister also having a problem with the blood vessel having a very bad issue. So maybe need to go for surgery. So from there, last week I came here together with my sister. So I learned a lot from here, and I think it's beneficial. So I hope this will be continuous to bring and sharing to others. To benefit others.
You can actually bring her here for experience sessions and we can maybe guide her.
原始点